Wait, Tyrone?
I am going to show you how to use subscriber art. There's only a 1 in 50 quadrillion chance. Lava Nation, you are the chosen one.
Killing and stealing this kid's powers is going to be easy. Once I kill this Lava Nation guy, I can sell his power on eBay for 20 bucks.
Hi, I am Lava Nation, nice to meet you.
Do you have the lava art?
Yes.
I will kill you so I can take the subscriber art.
Cool. Even though I broke 7 ribs and my entire spine, this is getting interesting.
Whoa, what's going on here? No violence, that is bad.
Well, I am a bad boy.
How dare you kill Tyrone Sensei? I will end your life.
You'll never kill me, I have 10 million power in Rise of Kingdoms. Oh shoot, he is actually kind of strong. But not stronger than me. Lava Nation, let's end this off in a flash.
What? Did I die? Where am I? No, I can't die, I need to avenge Tyrone.
You are not dead.
Huh, who are you? What happened?
I am inside of you.
Dude, what?
No, not like that, dumbass. I mean like in part of you. You passed out while fighting a Thunder Art user called Electric.
What a creative name. Can you lend me some of your power so I can avenge Tyrone?
Very well. I shall grant you 5% of my power. Thank you. You will pay Electric.
No fair, I was playing AFK Arena. Wait, what is this strong power?
Perish.
I don't think I can beat him from this range. My only chance is to dash to him faster than he can move. Wait, why can I not move? Don't tell me he can use telekinesis.
You thought you could kill Tyrone and get away with it.
Shoot, I need to get away fast. Please spare me, I'll give you Robux.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I'll give you like 20,000 Robux, just come down here.
Okay then.
This is my chance to escape.
Easy. OMG, no, Tyrone, you are dead.
Haha, it was just a prank.
I almost died.
And you better fix my wall or I gonna kill you myself.
Okay. But how will I get the money? If you want to see another video like this, watch the video right here. But that may not be your style. Then try watching this video right here. Not in the mood for videos? Then press this button to subscribe to my channel. It notifies you when I upload another Minecraft skit like this and it's free. Peace.